Business War Game, Breeze, is an interactive didactic system for teaching how to manage a multi-product company. This system works online, with transmission of data and communication between computers of students and Wargame moderator. It has been used for 15 years in dozens of MBA programs in various versions, but recently it has been enriched with a variation that uses artificial intelligence. Since company profits are accumulated in her balance sheet as the equity, the goal of this simulation is to achieve equity value as large as possible. However, in case when some competitors are parents in holding, capital group, the mark of success of their executives will be the consolidated equity. There are 5 products for all sort of customers, covering a large range of technical characteristics and different prices. There are also 4 customer segments, having different sizes and different money spending capabilities. Here is the main software screen. The upper part, with profit and loss statement as well as balance sheet, describes company condition. The lower part of the screen is the area where managerial decisions have to be made. They include choosing the characteristics of different products, fixing the volume of manufacturing, setting down the appropriate budget of communication, and defining the selling price. Every virtual year of simulation, students are required to take up to 30 decisions involving company marketing and finance. An additional decision sequence is necessary for investing or divesting on stock exchange. Each group of students manages a different company, competing with other students on the same market. There can be up to 8 competitors, and every of them sends his decisions to simulation moderator, in the end of each of virtual years. The following year cannot start until all market players have not transferred data to moderator, since his computer has to compare them, and has to send back to students the resulting market situation. This market situation is the starting point for the next virtual year. Several tools are available as help for taking business decisions. As an example, students may use the module of financial analysis, with the key ratios of company they manage. They can also compare the achievements of their company, to some results of competitors. For strategic business analysis, Boston Consulting Group, as well as sales growth market growth matrices are even available. They are automatically plotted for different products. In addition to numerical data, simulation moderator can electronically send to students his appreciations, marks, and advice. Here is an example. Besides managing their own company and competing with other market players, students can also invest and divest on stock exchange, and even purchase or sell shares of stock of their competitors. Holding is billed when a company purchases more than half of shares of stock of another market player. The company making holding is called parent, and students managing this enterprise start to manage also their newly acquired subsidiary. Owning holding subsidiaries is a source of profit for parent company due to collected dividends, as well as to possibility of reselling acquired holding components with gain. However, additional profits can be made also by synchronizing strategy of different companies included in holding group. For example, differentiating quality of similar products sold by different holding companies, modifying selling prices of such similar products, manufacturing more products in subsidiaries who have lower variable costs and less in other being more expensive, and sharing resources owned by different holding companies. Simulator Breeze can be used in various configurations. First, on an individual computer workstation where 2 competitors fight in a sequential manner, The second competitor makes his decision only when the first competitor has finished taking it. Then, Breeze also operates on the internal network, intranet. There are up to 8 competitors on the same market, who send decisions to the game moderator via Wi-Fi. And finally, Breeze can also use the public internet, thanks to which 8 competitors fighting on the common market are connected to the simulation moderator directly from their homes. In the latest version of Breeze, the activities conducted by several, even 7, out of 8 competitors fighting on one market can be controlled by artificial intelligence. Each of the players managed by AI in this way will develop their own strategy, competing with other classic, human, companies. The didactic benefits of such a solution are evident. As an example, the screen shows the evolution over time of the selling prices of 3 managed by artificial intelligence competitors. You can see that their marketing strategies are completely different.
Watch a more detailed presentation of the Breeze simulation on the same YouTube channel.